Hello, hello, hello. So, what is the most important thing to think about? When we think about what is most important, one of the critical things to think about is the fact that this is something, if you watch the video, it's a quantum physics video. It's called What the Bleep Do We Know? So, one of the professors, from the few that actually seems to really know what he's talking about, he says like this that Heisenberg, the inventor of quantum physics, says. Now remember, what is quantum physics? Quantum physics is how atoms really are, which is something that you can write many books on. Many books have been written, many videos. So we can't go into it, but it's definitely miraculous. It has nothing to do with the reality that we see in front of us. So all of the reality that we see is built on a miraculous reality. So one of the great miracles of quantum physics is that atoms actually are conscious beings. They react to the person that's watching them. So when you look at an atom, it becomes stable, it becomes a particle. When you don't look, it's a wave. So imagine your house. When you're not looking, your house is shaking. When you're looking, it becomes like Toy Story, something that's stable, and that's an absolute fact. So now the question is, um, what does that actually teach us? Because everything in the world comes to teach us a lesson in a way. It's coming to teach us something. And what it comes to teach us is something very, 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 very important and very, very profound. And that is that if the physical universe is reacting to you, remember, so this is what the professor said, it's that we have a tendency to think that the world exists irrespective of us. So if I do something, it doesn't matter. The answer is every single thing you do matters. It automatically creates a difference in the very physical matter. But of course, if it's creating a difference in the physical matter, it's creating a difference in the spiritual matter. And this is one of the great principles of Kabbalah, that God created a universe, the spiritual universe, that actually it's like a cycle. So it's like, does the gas that I put in my car matter? Of course it matters. That's how you can drive. So you drive, and then you can drive to the gas station, put in more gas, and that's how the cycle continues. And the same thing is, do the intentions, the thoughts, the speech, the actions that I have, do they actually matter? And the answer is, of course they matter. They create your own future. You create your own future. You create it by the type of thoughts. If you're thinking positive, you loving, you're doing good, that's going to be your future. You're creating your reality.